all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Come, I'll show you how this AI assistant is going to work before we see how we can create this. So let's say I'm going to type hey on WhatsApp and I'm going to send this hey, and my AI chatbot is going to reply me within seconds. We just have to wait for a few seconds and it is saying hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I want to ask that can I change my delivery address after placing the order? So I'm going to ask the same question. So within seconds it is going to reply me. Let's say I'm going to ask some another question from this FAQ, how do I place an order? And once I'm going to ask this question, it is going to reply me within seconds. And yes, it is going to reply me so accurately because I have uploaded my knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only it is replying me. So yes, if you also want to create this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end. So yes, now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the AI assistant of Pabbly Chatflow, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow. From the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant and open this window. But if you're a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below, so go on that URL, and in the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks. But if you're a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL, and in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on this AI assistant. But before we learn how to create this AI assistant, make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Now let's move on further and learn how to create this AI chatbot. So for that, I've opened this window and we have to select the instructions type. So we have multiple options. The first one is this custom prompt. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can select this prompt option and give the custom prompt. But we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, and so on. So you can select any one from this too, and the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points, but if you don't wish to do this, you can keep the instructions as same and move on further too. Now the next which we have is this temperature, so you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if we move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if we move it towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. I'm going to keep it as 0.3 because I want more focused answers. Now it is asking me for the AI to use. I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice. To get this API key, click on this OpenAI API key page. A hyperlink is going to open something like this. Once you are on this page, click on this create new secret key, enter your key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy this key and paste it in your AI assistant API key. And now click on this connect, and automatically it is going to say API key saved successfully. Now let's move on further. The next is this assistant settings. So you can add a header or a footer message. Simply switch on this button and you can type and add the header or the footer message. You can enter maximum to 60 characters. The next which we have is the stop keyword. So over here you can enter the keywords to stop the AI assistant. And in order to add this keyword, you have to type the keyword and then press enter. Otherwise the keyword will not be added. It is really important that you type the keyword and then press enter. Alright, now let's move on further. The next is this retry attempt. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10, so I'm going to keep it as 3. Now it is saying fallback message, so over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address in this fallback message. So let's say some user has some emergency, so they can contact you on Gmail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. Now let's move on further. We have completed this instructions, and now let's go towards this knowledge source. So like I told you in the starting of this video that using this knowledge source, my AI assistant is replying me and answering so accurately. So for that we have to upload this knowledge base, right? And to upload this knowledge base, we have to first make it. So what you have to do is you have to open a blank Google document, and in that blank document enter the knowledge unique to your business. Include FAQs, company background, and much more that your chatbot can utilize while answering the questions. After you make this knowledge source, go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because for TXT we don't have any limit. But for PDF we have no limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. And what you have to do is you have to go towards this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Then click on this choose a file and upload this file which you have downloaded right now, right over here. And once you upload this file, automatically the knowledge source will be uploaded, and over here you're going to receive the vector ID for the proof of the successful uploading. After this, you have to go towards this assistant interface. You can enter the display heading name, you can enter your brand name over here, and whatever you're going to enter over here will also be edited right side too. Now same goes for the subheading too. The next is this initial message, so you can add it to initial message. You have to type the initial message and press enter to add it. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label, so if you wish to display this, keep it as enable, otherwise disable it right from here. Now this is footer text, so you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. The text is going to be turned into link if you add the link, otherwise it will remain as a plain text like this. Alright, the next which we have is this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey, you can customize this according to your own choice. Now next which we have is this styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot, you can change the theme, you can change the shapes, you can change the colors and much more. And you can make the AI chatbot look just like you want. And with this we have completed this AI chatbot. So switch on this toggle button and click on the save AI assistant, and now this AI assistant is saved and created successfully. But now we have created this, but how are we going to use it for a business? For that you have to go towards this embedded, you're going to get this script. So add the script on your website, then automatically this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Whenever someone clicks on this start chat, they will be redirected on WhatsApp, and this message which is hey will be sent from your user towards you, and the AI chatbot is going to reply them because it is going to get started. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts, you can go towards this inbox section and you can go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant like this. And further, if you wish to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, go towards this settings and then inbox settings. Once you come on this inbox settings, you have to scroll and click on this enable AI auto replies, and over here you can add the rule in order to assign the AI chatbot. If you wish to assign this AI chatbot, you have to select the contact list and the AI chatbot which you wish to assign and click on this save. Then whenever any contact from this list is going to message you, this AI chatbot is going to reply. And further, if you wish to learn about contact section or any other section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these sections have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And with this, we have successfully created this AI chatbot, and it is going to run perfectly fine in real time like I showed you in the starting of this video. So yes, now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.